last video we had covered the topic distance and displacement. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is types of motion. There are basically two types of motion. First is uniform motion and second is non-uniform motion. Okay, before defining the uniform motion and non-uniform motion, try to understand that what is the meaning of uniform and non-uniform motion. Non-uniform only. So uniform basically means equal and non-uniform basically means unequal. Okay, so from this we can define the uniform motion as whenever a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, the motion is said to be uniform motion. For example, if a car starts from point A and reaches to point B, so the car covers the distance 1 kilometer in 2 seconds. Okay, and again the car starts moving from point B to point C, so the car again covers 1 kilometer distance in 2 seconds. Total of 4 seconds till now from point A to point C. The total distance covered by a car is 2 kilometer in 4 seconds. So we can say that the body, here our body is car. The body is covering the distance, equal distance in equal interval of time. Right. We can also say that the velocity or the speed of a body is constant. As car did not change its speed, that's why it covers equal distance in equal interval of time.
Discuss about the graph of uniform motion. Graph of uniform motion. So the graph of uniform motion is a straight line. Straight line. It is a distance time graph, means this graph makes between the distance axis and the time axis. Now we are making the graph of a uniform motion. This is distance axis, which tells the distance, and this is time axis, which tells us about the time. Here we take the x axis as the distance axis, and here we take y axis as the time axis. As we know that the graph of a uniform motion is a straight line, it means that as soon as distance increases, our times also increases equally. जैसे जैसे हमारा डिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा, हमारा टाइम भी उतना ही इक्वली बढ़ता चला जाएगा. इसलिए हमारा यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का जो ग्राफ है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन आता है. मतलब जितना डिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा उतना टाइम बढ़ेगा और इक्वली बढ़ता चला जाएगा दोनों.
For a body having uniform motion is a straight line. It means that as much as distance increases, our time also increases equally. This graph is also known as distance time graph. Now what is non-uniform motion? We can define non-uniform motion as whenever a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, the motion of a body is said to be non-uniform motion.
We are going to make the graph of a non-uniform motion as we make the graph for a uniform motion. Graph of a non-uniform motion. As I tell you that non-uniform motion is a motion when a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. So the graph for a non-uniform motion is a curved line. Is a curved line. This graph is also known as distance time graph. This graph is also made between the distance and time axis, but as in uniform motion the graph is straight line. In non-uniform motion our graphs comes a curved line. Let us see the graph of a non-uniform motion now. This is our distance axis, same as we take in the uniform motion graphs. This is our time axis. Graph for a non-uniform motion is a curved line. It means that a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. मतलब कि हमारी बॉडी जो है वो अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है लेकिन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, राइट। तो ये वाला जो हमारा नॉन यूनिफॉर्म का ग्राफ है ये भी हमारा सिमिलर ही है यूनिफॉर्म की तरह, ये भी हमारा डिस्टेंस और टाइम एक्सिस के बीच में बनता है। मेजर डिफरेंस यही है कि जो हमारे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का ग्राफ आता है वो हमारा स्ट्रेट लाइन आता है, बट जो हमारा नॉन यूनिफॉर्म का ग्राफ आता है वो हमारा कर्व लाइन आता है। मतलब कि हमारा डिस्टेंस जितना बढ़ता जाएगा हमारा टाइम उतना ही इक्वल नहीं बढ़ेगा। टाइम इक्वल मतलब कि हमारी बॉडी इक्वल इंटरवल में ही ट्रैवल कर रही होगी, लेकिन हमारा डिस्टेंस अनइक्वल होगा इस केस में। कौन से केस में? नॉन यूनिफॉर्म के केस में। और यूनिफॉर्म के केस में क्या हो रहा था हमारे साथ ये हो रहा था कि हम जैसे जैसे डिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा था जितना बॉडी का इक्वली उतना ही टाइम भी इक्वली बढ़ रहा था। इसमें हमारा डिस्टेंस अनइक्वल कवर होता है लेकिन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में।
For a non-uniform motion is also a distance time graph, but it is a curved line as unequal distance is covered by a body in equal interval of time. For example, when a car starts from point A and reaches to point B, it covers a distance 2 km in 2 seconds. And further, when car again starts moving from point B to point C, it covers 8 km of distance, but in 2 seconds. So the car covers the total distance from point A to point C is 10 km in 4 seconds. So this is the example of a non-uniform motion as car covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. And another example of a non-uniform motion is the motion of a train starting from the railway station. As train starts moving from the station, it covers less distance in first second, and then it covers little more distance in second, and so on. As soon as it approaches the next station, the distance per second decreases. And most of the daily life examples are come under the non-uniform motion. I hope so कि आपको मेरी ये वीडियो समझ आई होगी, पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो समझ आई है, पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करें। ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो सो दैट यू विल गेट माय वीडियोस ऑन टाइम एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो शेयर माय वीडियोस टू योर फ्रेंड्स, classmates, etc. Stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.